Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Buffalo Pickers here in Glass City on Friday nights? Defend the hustle, yeah. I'm trying not to talk too loud because I got an echo in here. But anyway, have you ever heard of Ella? Have you ever heard of Shoel? Have you ever heard of the Fundamentals of the Side Hustle with Regina Renee and Big D? Have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sale? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're selling. That's dedication for your A. Have you ever heard of my boy, Cali? Yeah, from California. Cali, whatever his name is. He the Slab King. Have you ever my boy, Louise, from, well, that's the same person. Have you ever heard of the Lone Star Picker? Yeah, have you ever heard of my boy from where is he from? Well, anyway, Dave. Yeah, from down in wherever he's from, Kentucky. Yeah, TP, that's what I call him. But it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? It's Kevin. I got a what's up video from yesterday. I'm here doing a sprinkler test inspection. Yeah, so I just figured I'd make a video while I'm in here. I got probably about 8 items that sold yesterday. So I'm finna get to it in a minute so I can do this inspection and get out of here. Yeah, first thing that sold was Sawyer's Viewmaster Real Packet, America's Man in Space. I'm in the money on this stuff, y'all. I bought this stuff. This stuff I've been selling for, I got about 200 of them, and I've been selling at least 2 or 3 a month for the past year. So anyway, y'all, this one sold for $16. I had on it for $19. I sent the offer for $16 and somebody took it. It's $3 shipping and handling. Yeah, it'll be on the screen. Next through is another book. It's called Breakthrough, the Bible for Young Catholics. Don't pass these Catholic books up, y'all. They buying the hell out of these Catholic books. I paid 50 cents for it because it's a paperback. It sold for $15. They're gonna pay for shipping, $2.89 shipping. Next thing sold is that Pyrex Bowl I showed you that I bought last week for $5. That Friendship Cinderella mixing bowl. It's like a red orange color, 4 quart. It's a big, excuse me, it's a big bowl. I never got one that color before. It sold for $60. I had it on there for $66. I sent the offer to someone for $60. They took it. That's how fast these Pyrex sell. And I'm going to have to pack the hell out of it though. This guy gonna pay, I don't know how much. I think you're gonna pay $5. I think I had it down for $5 for shipping. So I'm gonna take a loss of about a $10 loss on shipping, you know, because I gotta go ahead and pack that baby so it won't break. Next up is some comic books. I'm in the money on these too. The first ones I sold, I was in the money. The first ones I sold, I'm sorry. So I don't know what to tell y'all. These comic books selling for me. It was a packet, a comic set from 1 through 6, Indiana Jones, Thunder of the Orient. That's the name of it. So I never seen that movie, but I love Indiana Jones movies, all of them. Okay, that lot sold for $35, $2.89 shipping and handling. Okay, and I think I sold a little thing of teddy bears, like 4 teddy bears. They're real little, it's a little family. This is Calico Critters, that's the name of the company. When you all see these, you need to buy them. They come in little play sets. It's like a little play set. They come with house, furniture, everything. I got the furniture on there for another price, but anyway, I split everything up. I got everything and I split everything up. I put all the little families together and I put all the furniture together. So this is the second set of families that I sold, and one number 2 sets of families. Anyway, this is the Maple Town series, the Tan Bear family. Anyway, I paid a dollar for this, for all this stuff. These 4 bears sold for $47. Little bitty bears like this, family, little babies. Anyway, $47. Shipping is free. They don't cost nothing to ship these. They're real light. Okay. And last up is a Game Boy Advance game called Marble Madness. I keep talking about JCPenney Outlet. That was a little while ago when it was open. When it was open, I always bought stuff out of there. Like if I saw these games, I bought all of them. So I got about 30 of them. I'm still selling them. I just started reselling probably about a year and a half ago. So I've been selling at least one a month. So I got a whole lot of them, brand new in the box. You know, this so didn't sell for that much, $12. But because these are all off games that don't nobody like playing. It ain't like Legends of Zelda or nothing like that. This is just like a pinball game. So, you know, these not real popular games. But anyway, I sold this one for $12, free shipping. Don't cost nothing to ship, they're real light, brand new games. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. I'm a reseller, I'm a picker, I'm everything. I got a handyman business, 911 handyman service. My wife got a business, Dion Things, on Facebook, look her up. And hey y'all, support each other. As far as the reseller community is, support each other. You know, help each other out. I'm open to any questions you call. I mean, you can call me if you want, but anyway, I'm on Facebook. I don't hardly check my Facebook that much, but I'm on Instagram, and you can see my videos on YouTube. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and y'all defend the hustle out there. Keep hustling. Don't never stop. Don't never give up. Keep on going. I don't care how rough it is. Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.